The summer is almost over. What does the housing market look like? The figures for July's residential real estate market have just been released for the Port Aransas region, and you may be surprised at the numbers. Hey everyone, it's Laura and Carl Staves, Realtors with the Saltwater Shores team, here in what we like to call our little sandbar of paradise, Port Aransas, Texas. Today we're going to get real and talk about specific numbers to see what is going on with the housing market here in Port Aransas. The source of the data we are using is the South Texas MLS, which is the MLS used by the Corpus Christi Association of Realtors.
Before we talk about the inventory in the Port Aransas area, I'd like to point out that the numbers can be quite deceiving, and that is because of the filming of this video. There are a total of 154 attached condominiums on the market, but almost one half of these are made up of only 4 condominium complexes with a median price point of only $290,000. The other half of the attached condos have a median price point of $649,000. In my opinion, that's not a fair comparison. So to group all these, the attached condos, into one category, it would be like comparing apples to oranges. Overall, the Port Aransas area inventory, including homes, detached and attached condos, has only increased slightly this month. There are currently 10.2 months of inventory compared to 10.1 months last month, but definitely up from July of 22 when there were only 4.1 months of inventory.
Surprisingly, the median price for a property in Port Aransas as of the end of July was $855,000, which is 55.5% more from July of 22. Are homes overpriced? Maybe not. Data indicates the list of sales price in July was 98.6%, up from June of 2023, which was 97.6%, and up from July of 22, which was 97%. A wise person once said, and I don't know their name, but they once said that the only thing more predictable than the real estate market is the weather. And sometimes that's even more predictable. Agree? I do.
The average days on market actually decreased in July. In Port Aransas, properties were on the market 59 days, with 46 days to close once under contract, with a total of 105 days. This is less than 142 total days on the market in June of 23, but 21 days longer than July of 22. The increase in days on market for 2023 is not surprising, since we all know the real estate market in 2022 was booming and unforeseen, as you know. Experts base the 2022 boom due to the COVID pandemic, and probably not a market we will see anytime soon. Diving deep and going back to our previous conversation about comparing apples and oranges, there's a bit of difference in the days on market with the different property types. The 4 condo complexes that have the median price of $290,000 are currently sitting at 118 days on the market. The other condos with a median price of $649,000 are currently sitting at 110 days, and detached homes and condos are currently sitting at 103 days.
So what about interest rates? We can all assume that interest rates have a huge impact on the real estate market. Over the last month, we've seen rates fluctuate with slight increases, decreases, and increases again. As of the filming of this video, the national average for a 30-year fixed-rate mortgage is 7.53% according to bankrate.com and 7.22% according to NerdWallet. We've all heard interest rates would rise, and that's exactly what has happened.
You might think that all of this data, higher prices and higher interest rates, would cause the real estate market to crash. Those are the predictions we hear on some of the news channels and on the internet. But in spite of higher prices and higher interest rates, homes are still selling. In Port Aransas, closed sales increased by 38.7% from last month, with a total of 43 homes and condos sold, up from 34 closed homes last month. People still want to buy real estate.
Whew. We've talked about lots of numbers, days on market, prices, interest rates, and more. So where does the market sit right now? Well, we do see lots of buyers out there, but they aren't moving as fast as in the last several years, because it's my opinion buyers want more for their money. Buyers want properties to be in good condition. move-in ready, or buyers of investment properties, unless it's a fixer-upper that they can get for bottom dollar. They want properties that don't need updating or repairs. They want properties that can start generating income right away.
If you're looking to buy or sell real estate in the Texas Coastal Bend, please feel free to reach out on our website at saltwaterstoragesteam.com, and please like and subscribe and drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts on where the market is really heading. Please check our other videos, like and hit the subscribe button. We publish property tours, fun things to do, and even videos on our favorite restaurants. We'll be back next month with an updated report.